Who can see your following list? Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see your following list. Easy and quick. First thing, go to your TikTok app and go to your profile. Once you are there, go to your setting icon by click on those three lines and click on your name up there and click on setting and privacy. And here click on privacy, which is the second choice, and scroll down. You're gonna find mentions, and no, you're gonna find a lot of options, which is following list. Click on it, and here you have a questions of who can see your following list. All you need to do is choose if you want everyone to see this following list or just you, to make this following list private. Easy and quick. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like.